Hey guys, this is LeGrand and Company with another pressure washing house that we're doing. This is a 2-story. You can see right here. This is just a little bit of spider webs, but imagine that times 1,000. This whole wall that we just washed, you can see a couple little clingies on there, but was just incredibly full of spiders and spider webs and nests. So after thoroughly watering all the plants, we pretty much got this house looking pretty good on this side. If you look real close, there's just a little bit of spider webs hanging on, so I'll do another rinse after it dries a little bit. But it's looking pretty good. Now we use a soft wash method, and of course we're rinsing with the pressure washer with about a 45 tip. And you can see up there, couldn't quite rinse that well, and you can see that road grime up there in the corner. So we're gonna get a ladder, get up there and get that. Over on this side of the house, there's a lot of tractor trailers that come by, so we haven't done this side yet. So you can see this is just a little bit of spider webs here, but you can see all the road grime up there. You know, you gotta point out to customers that, you know, there was a hole in his siding. You know, we can't fix those holes. See all the spider webs up there on that window? We'll get all those off. I think there's another little hole over there. You can really see the road grime from the tractor trailers coming on this wall here. Of course, then we got an upstairs up there to do same thing. I wish he would have let me do the gutters, but I'll get them as clean as I can with the soft wash system and the pressure wash rinse. He's got a piece of flashing up there coming undone. We can't fix flashing, and that gutter needs to be tied back up. I don't know what that one strap is, but I told him to get a handyman to do that. We don't do that kind of stuff. So a couple little repairs, but all in all, this house is in really good shape. Just dirty from the tractor trailers and spiders and a little bit of mold and mildew, but we're taking care of it. There we go. This is the side of the house that had all the spider webs. Looks absolutely beautiful. All the plants have been watered down good. Front of the house is looking nice. Everything's been rinsed off. Look at those eaves, how clean they are. And the gutters, look how nice they came out. They look great. This was the side that had the hole in it down there. Remember all that nasty road stuff? That's all gone. This is the other rest of the side that had all that road stuff on it. Looks great. All the way up to the eaves, nice and clean. Looks really good. Coming around the back here, that gutter came out great. I actually cleaned out that gutter and the other ones for free because I could reach them. I didn't do those top ones, but that slopes down that way, so I told him, you know, up top on his vinyl he has a couple little busted pieces of the trim to fix that. You know, fix that hole there, fix that hole right there, that one down there, and then when he does that flashing up there and fixes that gutter, you know, have the guy bring that end up a little bit, just full of debris. And you know, that's a lot of weight on gutters when you get wet leaves and stuff all clogged up, and should be flowing down this way, but it gets real heavy over there. Same with that one. So this is the backside house, just came out really nice. Plants look great. Everything's been watered down and hosed off, rinsed off. Another great job.